Hello, this is Sheila with Ardent Learning Hub. I'm an FCCA and specialize in ACCA's Advanced Audit and Assurance. This video will explain the 3 programs which I've designed to meet students' needs with regards to the Advanced Audit and Assurance paper. So let me explain how the programs work. Let's start with the first program, the Bootcamp. There are 200 pre-recorded videos which cover the syllabus and the exam questions together with the exam technique, and they are released weekly over a 13-week period. So there's full syllabus coverage. This is a full online course, which means that the course notes can be downloaded and printed. This bootcamp is very work intensive to prepare you over that 16-week period to make sure that you are ready for the exam. So there'll be 20 assignments. So after you cover video for that week, then there will be an assignment which you will email me and I will mark it in detail and give you personal feedback as to what you did wrong and how you can improve your answering technique. Together with the marked script that I will return to you, I would also include a suggested answer which I have prepared. It would be a brief answer to take into consideration the limited time that you have in the exam. Now with the bootcamp, there is a weekly live interactive session where we actually discuss the assignments for that particular week together with introduce to you the topics that will be studied in the following week. And you can ask whatever questions that you want during the live sessions as well. Midway the program, there will be a progress test and it will be marked and detailed feedback will be given to you so they can see the areas that you are going wrong in, and I will give you a suggested answer so that you can see how you can correct the mistakes that you have made. There will be 3 mock exams, and again there will be detailed feedback together with a suggested answer so that you can make the necessary corrections before the day of your exam. To make sure that your performance peaks at the exam date, there will also be an intensive revision course where we will revise critical content, exam technique, and the whole program is focused on exam questions. Together with the revision course, there will be revision notes again, which you can download and print if you so wish. Now, if at any time you have missed any of the live sessions, the revision session, for example, all the sessions will be recorded and uploaded onto the portal. So you will not miss any session actually. There will also be tutor support via WhatsApp. So here you can post your questions and I will answer them within the day itself. The bootcamp is very intensive and students have got to put in the effort. There's a lot of personal attention given. And for that reason, the seats will only be limited to 30. So it'll be on a first come, first serve basis. Let's go on to the second program. The second program is an intensive revision course. The focus here is on exam technique. So the revision program has got 21 hours live online. Again, if you missed any session, the session will be recorded and uploaded onto the portal that you will have access to. There will be revision notes given to you, but please take note, these are not the full course notes. The revision notes accompany just the revision program. You'll be given 1 mock exam and you will have to self-mark this. I'll give you the answer and show you what you can do to mark. There will be bonus videos given covering the auditing standards. There will be some videos on exam technique and essential videos on non-audit assignments. You would also be able to post questions via the WhatsApp chat group. So this program is suited for students who have difficulty answering exam questions or who can answer exam questions but they find that their answers are too long or they are too short. So the focus here would be on exam technique, on how you can write professional yet brief answers. The third program is a self-study program. The self-study program actually has everything that the bootcamp has, except there are no assignments and the tests will have to be marked by yourself. I'll give you the answers for this. and you'll only be given one mock exam. Again, every student will be on a WhatsApp chat group, so you can always post your questions in there. So this program is good for students who are strongly motivated to progress by themselves. As the name suggests, it is a self-study program. However, considerable guidance is available within the videos, and students are also connected via WhatsApp should they need to ask any questions relating to Advanced Audit and Assurance. If the student wants the revision, they can always add that on, and the price goes up a little bit, but it's a lot cheaper than paying for a separate revision program. The separate revision program is priced at MYR 497. So if you can just top up with 397, you get access to the revision program as well. So here's a summary of all the 3 programs that we have. Remember, for the bootcamp, the seats are limited to only 30. The frequency of the programs. The bootcamp will only be run twice a year, for the June exam and the December exam. The program would start in either January or July after the results come out. So probably 3rd week January, 3rd week July. The self-study program will be run 4 times a year to even cover the odd windows of March and September. So that's a benefit, that you can still go through the full program even though it is an odd window exam. The revision program will also be carried out 4 times a year for the 4 different exam sittings. So the 3 programs are specially designed to meet individual students' needs. Some students have got problems remembering the knowledge. So if that's the case, then the course notes here are simplified. I only put in the most essential knowledge. There are lots of diagrams, flowcharts, and acronyms, mnemonics to help you with your memory, because some students say that they cannot remember the knowledge content. There are other students who have got problems writing the answers. So if your problem is writing the answers, then you can join any one of the programs, because any one of those programs have got exam techniques, the marking scheme, and brief answers are also given. But if you need special support, then the bootcamp would be best for you. If you can work on your own, then the self-study program will be good for you. And if you need a final wrap-up before the exam, then the revision course will be good for you. But the revision course will be automatically part of the bootcamp. If you're on the self-study program, that can be added on. Or if you are studying with another learning provider, you can always join us for the revision program. And that would help you to fine-tune your exam technique as well. So when it comes to winning, you need the skill. Skill is so important for ACCA strategic level papers. There are 3 programs that I've provided here, specially designed. I've had more than 20 years experience in teaching this paper, and I've taken hundreds of students through to passing. So skill is really important. Exam techniques are really the key to passing AAA. But it cannot be exam techniques alone. You really need to have the subject matter knowledge as well. All right, so select the program which addresses your need and fits with your personal circumstances and your work situation. So for further information or to register, please contact Bosco at the number listed below. So see you at one of the programs.